Hi guys, I'm back with you this time with a longer video. I am doing a sew-in. This would be for ponytail, for a flat sew-in, especially on the side. You know, like those of you who like sew-ins with a leave out, and baby hair are from ear to ear. This is the perfect style for you. Now keep in mind that this style I am using 3 bundles, so it is a lot. This particular client didn't want a net placed on, so and she has long hair, like her natural hair is very long. But I just, I did the folding method, just try to fold it as flat as possible. So I'm now sewing my first track at the bottom. This track needs to be sewed on really well, and as you can see, my stitches are very close and I have knot them. So every time I stitch, I am doing a knot. I just stitch fast so you can't really see. But this bottom weft is being laid very closely because this will help achieve that ponytail without having to do the leave out at the back. Now, like I said, we're using 3 bundles, so the back you need to make it as full as possible, because once you get at the top, you won't be doing double wefts, you'll be doing single weft sewing. So here I am trying to fold a double weft. As you can see, you have to really sew this at the corner very well, because if you don't, it will be bumpy. So I'm just gonna lift here, show you a sample of how already it's looking, to do an effortless ponytail without having to leave any hair behind. Now, what else can I say? So at the back, I usually put in, I think, 1.5 bundle or 2, and by the time I get up at the top, which you can see now, I'm using single wefts. And when I'm using single wefts, I kind of curve the wefts into the braid, so I'm sewing underneath the braid. As you can see, the needle is going through underneath the braid, not into the braid, whatever you would call it. You do this curve so that there's no space in between the wefts, so when you lift up the hair, like what I just did now, there's no space. It's kind of like doing the flip over method. I don't know, I have a video of that in my video collection that you girls can go and check that out. So make sure the wefts are very close together at the corner of the hair, so there's no spaces at all. Yeah, and my stitches, like especially at the corner, I always have to really stitch, because the corner is where, it needs to be really well stitched so you don't have anything falling out. Now it's all single wefts, like I said, so close together, close as possible. So now we're at the top, still doing the same method, just working your way up. I'm about to close in, and as you can see, I really go in as close as possible, because 1, it gives me the advantage of having to put more wefts, because the client wants the hair full, and 2, I don't like that gap at the top where there's space between the leave out. So now I have put a little bit of cream when I close at the top there. That's why you see all that white stuff. I usually put a leave-in conditioner all around the perimeter, just so that part is it's not dried. So this is me just showing you how flat the sewing is looking. So like I said before, most of the hair volume is at the back, and when you get at the top, you want to get it as flat as possible. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Stay tuned for other videos to come, and there you go, you can rock your ponytail any way you like, and the best part is you don't even have to leave hair out at the back. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.